Hi there, everybody. Today's tutorial we're going over the Python exercises in the HackerRank, and we are going through the loops exercise.
Dogecode's coding tutorials.
As you can see that the task here is provided the code stub reads the integer n from standard input for all negative integers I is smaller than n and print I double I the power of I. So basically we have an example where n equals 3. The list of non-negative integers that are less than 3 is 0, 1, 2. Print the square of each number on a separate line. The input format is just the first and only line contains the integer n, and it's basically constraints here. I believe we don't have to implement those, and we have the output format where each line is gonna be, the power of the next number. So we're gonna simply create a for loop in 4x in the range, 4x in range, not in the range of n. So basically 4x in range of n, we are gonna simply, gonna take n, and then it's gonna make, not n, gonna take 0. So basically it's gonna go 0, 1, 2, and it's gonna go all the way to the largest number. But we have to implement n plus 1, I believe. Okay, so there's no need to implement n plus 1 because one thing here in the range function, so basically when it reaches, say n is 5, it's gonna reach 4 and it's gonna stop. It's not gonna reach 5, as you can see, but in this case they just want from 0 to 1, 2, which is the case that we're gonna stop there. So we're gonna simply print x like this, and I think it's good. Yeah, that was it. It's pretty simple exercise. As I said, there's nothing like complicated about this. It's just a for loop. Basically, a for loop will take x, will create a variable, and will be in the range of n from 0 all the way to n minus 1. So yeah, that's why I was about to say we need to add an n plus 1 right here for it to be good, but that's already good. And we have to also make sure that n is an integer. As you can see, the n is integer already. Now moving on to the next challenge, which is writing a function. So a function is something pretty simple. All you have to do to write a function is def, the name of the function, and any variables you want to implement in the function. You'll be able to call them inside. So an extra day is added. So I believe this is a leap year. Leap year every 4 years. Yeah, so the year can be evenly divided by 4 is a leap year. Unless this year, the year can be evenly divided by 100. It's not a leap year unless the year is also evenly divisible, then it is a leap year. This means that in Gregorian calendar, the years 2400 are leap year, while 1800 and all of those are not leap years. Task: given a year, determine whether it's a leap year. If it's a leap year, return the boolean true. So I'm gonna return here. Uh, so this we're gonna change leap if it's we're gonna keep it false, and then if it's a leap year, we're gonna change it true, and it's gonna pass through all of these test cases. And note that the code stub provided from standard input and passes argument to is leap function. It's only necessary to complete the is leap function. Input, read year. Constraints are the following. We don't have to implement that in output format. The function must return a boolean value, which we are going to do. But yeah. So basically, let's go and see this case. As the year can be evenly divided is a leap year by 4. So let's do if year is divided by 4, then we're gonna pass through another one. The year can be evenly divided by 100. It's not a leap year unless, so if year is also divided by 100, and we are gonna pass through another one if year is evenly divisible by 400. So will have to Google that. What is evenly divisible exactly? So let's search for Google. Evenly divisible means that you have no reminder. Okay, so simply we're gonna do if year is evenly divisible by 400 equal to 0. Let's put all of this in parentheses just to keep stuff clean. Oh, my bad. So yeah, if year here is divisible by 100, then we are gonna put leap equal true, and that's it. Submit the code. Okay, we failed the test case number 5. So basically, the year can be evenly divided by 4. So let's Google what's evenly divided by 4 just to make sure that we are on the right page. So to divide evenly means that one number can be divided by another one without anything left in the other words, no reminder. Okay, so basically it's the same thing. Let me go back here. If the year is divisible by 4 equal to 0, and let's make the code cleaner. And yeah, let's run this. Still test case. The year can evenly divide it by 100. It's not a leap year unless. Okay, wait, we have a mistake. So the year can evenly divided by 4 is a leap year. So if the year is divided by 4, like there's no reminders by 4, it is a leap year, okay? But if the year can be divided by 100, it's not a leap year. So basically here can set leap equal false, I believe. And let's submit the code. Okay, let's unlock this case. Okay, so 992 is not a leap year. Day is added, and basically I believe. So let's go through the logic. So we have 1,100, 1,900. By the way, I'm doing this mistakes a little bit by, just to show you guys that those are the kind of mistakes that you guys will find here. Those examples, even though it's a simple example, you have some mistakes like this. So 1,992. So it's the year right here. Let's put this in the comment. 1,992. So first of all, it's set to be false. First of all, is 1,992 a leap year? The answer is obviously no, because we set here true. So is the year divided by 4? Let's pull up a calculator here. Sorry, calculator. So 1,992 divided by 4. Oh shit, what's that? Let me clear all of this. 1,992 divided by 4. So it's not, it's clearly having a reminder right here. But yeah, let's change also this line right here. Okay, so it's equal to 0. And let's run the code. So yeah, as I said, it's simply as in the case that, look, if it's just divided by 4, then it is a leap year in fact, so leap equal true in this case. But in the other case, which is this whole case right here, if the year is divisible by 100 and so there's like it's not a leap year, the year is also divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. So like this, and year is not divisible by 100, by 400 I believe. Yep, 400. It's gonna be false. And let's put this function. Let's put this if case before the other one here. Simple as that. Let's run it right now. Okay, only test case number 1 is wrong, because in this case it's false. But yeah, now let's just rerun the code, and we've passed everything successfully. So as you can see right here, if the year is divisible by 100, and the year is also the year is not divisible by 400, it's not a leap year. But if else if, so we forgot the else if here, we put just if. That means if those two conditions check, it's false. But if those two conditions checks and also is divisible by 4, then it's true. That's it. That was the exercise for today. Write a function. Hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and hope you have an amazing rest of your day.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.